Welcome, my fellow tax professionals. Today we're going to be discussing the taxpayer's duties and responsibilities while the IRS is investigating the offer and compromise application. I'm your host, Attorney Robert Schaller, and the author of the course. It is vital that the taxpayer honor the duties and responsibilities while the IRS is investigating. If the taxpayer fails to honor his duties and responsibilities, then the IRS can either withdraw the offer, return the offer, or reject the offer, depending on the circumstances. But either way, those are bad results for the taxpayer. The taxpayer has payment obligations that were related to any periodic payment offer pursuant to Form 656. But the taxpayer also has tax compliance obligations. The taxpayer must file any tax returns that are due and must make any payments while the IRS is investigating the offer. Thank you and enjoy the course. Let us begin exploring the taxpayer's duties and responsibilities while the IRS is investigating the offer. The taxpayer must remain in full compliance with all tax laws while the offer is pending, or the application process will be closed and the application returned or withdrawn. The taxpayer must file all required tax returns while the offer is being investigated. The 1099 employee must file all estimated tax returns with Form 1040-ES. The taxpayer with employees must file quarterly employment tax returns with Form 941. Of course, the Form 656 applicant must file the annual Form 1040 on a timely basis. The taxpayer must also make all required payments while the offer is being investigated. The 1099 employee must make timely estimated tax payments. The taxpayer with employees must be current with federal tax deposits. The Form 656 applicant must make annual Form 1040 payments on a timely basis, if any. The taxpayer must timely pay all post-application periodic payments due under Form 656. The taxpayer who has selected the periodic payment offer option must make timely monthly payments. However, as a reminder, the taxpayer who has selected the lump sum offer payment option has no Form 656 payment obligation while the IRS investigates the offer. Thank you for listening to this video, and please spread the word to family and friends that Do-It-Yourself Offer and Compromise Academy is available to help taxpayers find solutions to crushing IRS-backed taxes. The music for this video was provided by www.bensound.com. You can contact the Academy at its contact page at www.diycompromiseacademy.com. Enjoy the online course and keep on learning.